In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Minister of Justice stresses resolving Afghan pilgrims' problems. 17 family and tribal disputes resolved in 7 provinces. And a deadly fire at elderly care home in Indonesia. Welcome to today's news package. Is Monday, the 8th of Rajab 1447, the 8th of Jadi 1404, and the 29th of December 2025. The news details. Sheikh Abdul Hakim Shari, the Minister of Justice, has emphasized the need to review and resolve the problems faced by Afghan pilgrims regarding Umrah during a meeting with officials from relevant institutions and Union of Umrah and Hajj companies. The Minister of Justice discussed in the meeting, attended by representatives of various governmental bodies and Umrah companies, the reducing travel costs for Afghan pilgrims and several other related issues. At the conclusion of the meeting, a committee was formed under the chairmanship of Maulavi Qudratullah Jamal, the Deputy Minister of Tourism and Finance, and Administration at the Ministry of Information and Culture to assess the existing challenges and seek appropriate solutions. The Ministry for Promotion of Virtue, Prevention of Vice and Hearing of Complaints reports that its officials have resolved 17 family and tribal disputes across 7 provinces. Based on the ministry, the disputes were settled in the provinces of Balkh, Kapisat, Takhar, Parvan, Zabul, Baghlan and Serpol. This comes as nearly 30 disputes and 10 major hostilities among families and tribes were also resolved in various provinces across the country during the past week. The news continuation. The National Statistics and Information Authority states that since the launch of electronic ID card distribution process, 17,068,000 citizens have received electronic ID cards. Out of the aforesaid figure, more than 11 million cards have been distributed after the return of the Islamic Emirate to power. In accordance with the authority, the highest number of electronic ID cards has been issued in the provinces of Kabul, Herat, Kandahar, Balkh, and Nangarhar. And finally, Reuters citing Indonesian officials reports that 16 people have been killed in a fire at a nursing home in the city of Manado, located on the island of Sulawesi. According to the report, 3 others sustained severe burns in the incident. An investigation into the cause of the fire are currently underway. That's the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration are available on social media platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.